Hi guys, so this is Saturday, December 23rd, 2022, after the winter storm that hit Toronto, Durham region, also known as GTA, Greater Toronto Area, or Ontario, on December 22nd, 2022, Friday to Saturday, December 23rd, 2022. So yes, I'm gonna go down there and start shoveling or snow blowing. So this is what we have to shovel. I feel like my side has a lot more snow than the other side. So this is December 22nd, 2022 to December 23rd, 2022. Friday, December 22nd, 2022 to Saturday, December 23rd, 2022. After the winter storm / blizzard that we had. So I'm gonna have to shovel this or use the snowblower. Okay, I'll show you once I'm done. Hi guys, so this is 2 hours later. Almost done clearing with the help of a small snowblower as well. So yes, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.